People say whatever doesn't break you makes you. A great example of that is the story of Yosef HaTzadik. Yosef started off as the apple of his father's eye, full of potential, but then it all fell downhill from there. His brothers tried to kill him. They sold him as a slave. He was put into jail by his master. He suffered in jail. And then finally we see that in the end, he emerged as second to the king and a most powerful leader. This story sounds very familiar, says the Chafetz Chaim, and there's a reason for it. We say in our parsha, when we talk about the birth of the Jewish nation, we say, Eila Toldos Yaakov, Yosef. These are the children of Yaakov, and we talk about Yosef. Says the Chafetz Chaim, this is the way we should read it. Eila Toldos Yaakov. If you want to know the story of the children of Yaakov, of the Jewish nation, look no further than Yosef. Yosef's story is our story. Others tried to persecute him and they tried to put him down, and he stayed strong throughout. And in the end, not only did he succeed, but the attempts that others had to put him down were the reason how he succeeded. This is exactly our story. Yes, there are others who pursue us and try to put us down, but those steps are exactly what we're going to have to end up being successful. And the Chafetz Chaim says that all we have to do is one job: stay strong. Have a great Shabbos.